Choosing the right category can be tricky. If you're not sure about the category or filter, I recommend exploring the catalog first. For example, let's say you have a chair, but there are many types of chairs. How do you choose? 1. Open the chair category and explore the filters. 2. Find the chair type that fits your model and keep it in mind. Now, after adding the model, 1. Go to the Category submenu in the Model Editor. 2. Type chair or the exact filter you want to apply. 3. Select the correct filter, non-upholstered chair, for example. Next, click the Category Settings icon to review the tags. Looks like there are more than expected. Let's delete the unnecessary ones. That's better. I can also add one more suggested filter. Great.